welcome back. Today we are going to take you into the future of mobility as we take a spin in this stylish and eco-friendly MG ZS EV. We are also going to talk to MG ZS EV owners to know about their experience. So stay tuned for our electrifying adventure. Let's kick things off by exploring the key features of this MG ZS EV. From its stylish design to its advanced tech, this car is making a lot of waves in the automotive industry. MG Motor India recently introduced the Excite Pro version of its flagship EV, that is the ZS EV. It is the only SUV
price range starting at 18.98 lakhs
to have a panoramic dual pane skyroof. So the MG ZS EV in this price segment becomes a leader. It has spacious interiors, stylish looks, a great drive, and lot of advanced tech features, my dear friends. So let's embrace the futuristic design, the dynamic lines, the unique style. The wide SUV stance gives the MG ZS EV, as you can see, a progressive look. With the new design elements at front and rear, the ZS EV offers a highly distinctive appearance on the road. As you can see, the new electric grille design on the front and the full LED Hawk-Eye headlamps. The alloy wheels are R17 in size and its Stormhawk hub design. If you talk about the tail lamps are also very sleek and stylish. The MG offers LED tail lamps on the ZS EV. So it's time to take you inside and tell you about the in-cabin experience and the drive experience of the ZS EV. So we're sitting inside the ZS EV and the cabin looks very plush and the interior looks very classy. It's all leatherite wrapped dashboard. The steering is with perforated leather and lot of good stitching in red color, which gives it a contrast and makes it look very sporty. काफी सारा chrome का भी इस्तेमाल किया हुआ steering में with the MG logo here in the center, and there are a lot of control buttons. You can control the whole menu options from the steering itself. Here you can see it's like a carbon fiber look, a 3D looking leather with again a red stitching. Center console comes with a lot of storage for the driver and for the passenger. There are two cup holders. The car is loaded with feature. It has Apple CarPlay, it has Android Auto. Touchscreen infotainment screen is of 25.7 centimeters. There's a full digital cluster with 17.78 centimeters embedded LCD screen. Car also comes with a rear center armrest with cup holders. The ZS EV 8-layer hairpin motor delivers best-in-class 176 PS power. The MG ZS EV is available in 4 color options: glazed red, aurora silver, starry black, and a candy white. We are here at the Hotel Taj View to show you how convenient it is to charge the MG ZS EV. So fasten your seat belts because we are getting charged up for the next leg of the journeys. The biggest myth of all electric vehicles is charging, but currently in India there are more than 12,000 charging stations, and with the MG ZS EV you have 6 options to choose from to charge your ZS EV. The first one is the DC fast charger at the dealership. The second one is the AC fast chargers available at public places and dealership. The third one is the AC fast chargers that can be installed at your doorstep, at your home or your office. The fourth one is a portable charger that comes with the car. The fifth one is the RSA 24/7 from MG. And the last one is the MG Charge initiative, in which MG Motor India is installing 1,000 chargers in 1,000 days across the country in different communities. It's time to hit the road. MG ZS EV is not just eco-friendly, but it's a blast to drive. So join me to experience the smooth drive and the powerful acceleration of this MG ZS EV. we are driving this MG ZS EV. The ride quality of the car is great. We have been driving this car in the highway and all around the city. The handling is great. The control of the car is great. The sitting posture is very nice. The seats are very comfortable and very cushiony. The ZS EV comes with 3 driving modes. One is a normal, the second one is the eco, and the third one is a sports mode. It also comes with the regeneration modes, which has up to 3 levels. The drive is very powerful and it's very peppy. As soon as you press the accelerator, the full 176 PS power comes in. And thrilling performance of 0 to 100 km/h in just 8.5 seconds. So the drive is very thrilling. You can explore the world with it because it gives you a big range. The acclaimed range for the ZS EV is 461 kilometers on a full charge. That is what MG claims. You contribute to the environment because it is eco-friendly and is electric. So go green and change the mindset. The ride quality of the car is very nice. The suspension settings are quite great and journey is very comfortable. We drove it on the potholes, some speed breakers and some bad roads also. The steering is very nice. It's quite chunky to hold on to and the car looks totally in control. There is negligible body roll in the car on high speed. The cabin insulation done by MG in the ZS EV is great. You can hardly hear the outside traffic while driving. It's time to take you to one of the MG ZS EV owners. Now this person is an entrepreneur. He is an exporter. He owns a buying house and he is also a car enthusiast. Let's find out what he thinks about this car as a ZS EV owner.
Hi, how are you?
Hi Nakul, how are you?
Absolutely fine. You tell me, how are you?
Great to see you.
Perfect.
So that's Nakul, a proud MG ZS EV owner. Let's hear it straight from him that what's in and out living with a ZS EV all throughout the day.
To begin with, we've driven this MG ZS EV in the last 5 months for about 23,000 kilometers.
Oh wow, is it
So,
23,000 kilometers in 5 months?
23,000 kilometers. So that goes to say how much we love the ZS EV. And there are ample of chargers now available to charge your car anywhere on the way, like be it the NH2 or the Yamuna Expressway as well. And fast chargers, it charges the car in about say 40 to 50 minutes, it's fully charged.
So people who have this range and charging anxiety, you should hear this. And apart from being environment friendly, how light it is on your pocket.
Boy, very honestly, I run 3 other diesel cars than this.
Yeah.
And in comparison to them, this actually doesn't hit my pocket at all. Like we paid about 2,500 to 3,000 rupees, if I'm not wrong, for one service, which is about say less than 30 paisa per kilometer. In addition, I'll be very honest, like as a businessman, I don't have to go to the petrol station to fill in any more fuel tanks.
So do you have a charger at home?
I have a charger at home and I bought 2 fast chargers along with the car. So I think in an average, if I calculated, it's less than approximately 60 paisa per kilometer. Okay. That's a running cost.
And whereas the ICE vehicle would be costing about 8 to 9 rupees a kilometer.
Minimum, I think, and if you include the maintenance cost, that should go up to at least 10 to 11 minimum. With oil filters and air filters and all of these things, the service cost generally for my vehicles that I own goes up to 25 to 30,000 rupees for a service.
So a lot of saving, Nakul. What are you going to do with that amount in 5 years? You're doing 23,000 in 5
months.
So 1 year is 50,000 and in 3 years 1.5 lakhs. So you're going to save about 12 to 13 lakhs. What are you going to do with that money? Huh? MG ZS EV has one of the best resales in the segment as well.
Oh, wonderful. Believe me, I'm not even thinking of reselling this car anytime soon.
Thank you, Nakul. It was
Thank you so much.
Knowing so much about the car and about you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, that was some great insight from Nakul. So it's time to take you to the second owner of MG ZS EV. We are going to Captain KHUSHBOO MUNJAL. She is a commander in the Airbus 350 and flies aircraft. So it's going to be very exciting. Stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. The ZS EV comes with a comprehensive ownership package. So it is a peace of mind for 3 years. You get 3 years unlimited mileage warranty. You get 3 years roadside assistance free, and you get 3 years labor-free services. And the battery warranty is for 8 years and up to 1,50,000 kilometers. Hi Khushboo.
Hi,
So you bought an MG ZS.
I did.
So that's Khushboo, Captain Khushboo, a proud owner of MG ZS EV. So what
Yes.
made you choose ZS?
It's much more comfortable and bigger in size than all its competitors like Creta, like Kia, you know. But it's much more comfortable to ride.
And you fly aircraft, so I'm sure you like speed. So how fast it is?
I think I fly Airbus 350s, which have the most powerful engines in the world right now, the most advanced and powerful engines, and flying those and coming back to MJ, even this gives me a very great pickup and a very powerful ride, you know, gives me the thrill.
So it gives you the kick.
Yeah, it does.
It's electric, so it has a limited range. Does it bother you, or do you have the recharge anxiety? Or
No, nothing. It doesn't bother me because there are recharge stations available everywhere these days. So it has a range of 460 kilometers. And it makes me reach anywhere I want in Delhi from Agra very comfortably.
so is it light on your pocket?
Oh yes, of course. There is no fuel cost added to it, and of course it has no engine, so no maintenance like regular engine maintenance. So no oil, refilling and all of that. So it definitely helps my helps my saving a lot.
And what about the features? Are you happy with the features of the car?
I am very happy. It has a DAS level 2 safety features and 75 plus car connected features.
Wow. So there you have it, folks, the MG ZS EV, not just a car, it's a lifestyle. So if you're considering a switch to electric, this might just be the right car for you. So what are you waiting for? Go and like this video, share and comment to keep getting such electrifying content. And until next time, keep driving into the future.